Yeah, CSF. But you papa. Now I share video na my wife. Aha, na insua dia kakra na. Yeah. What you mechi amu nyina me sama makwa aba biom. Media ba platform yi so. Sada me ka kire mo no, me pamu nyina achew. Nya se bia adesua no na e bia teaching se ne yenja ye. Na ja yentumi betena Facebook all the time say sebe obi a ye ne adwuma bia ye. Say me start Facebook teaching na sa time na fe na ma start me business, me network marketing na me build the team ne kakra krantina. Ebi kra dwene se jama ye ni adwuma ye nti yem se me nkola so droso wo de nkoda be wiase a e wo se ye adwuma den na otumi de hwe ombofra nti mesre mo na me ma adwuma na attention kakra ye nwie ye de ye guso a ye adwuma nti nansen every week bia no me bo mode na me ni P Black ya ba ye bia 2 topics bi wow ye ntumi kra once in a week no since I be a free thinker no e mi chiamu nyina Ghana phone panyifo amohwe na me akasa me jai teachings be getting to 1 month no e na mehu sabe me amete sei sabe empanyifo a omu follow movement na ne omu a ideology amede aba no omu embrace, and I want to tell you I'm proud of myself. I am proud of Common Sense family. Obi biara from day 1 wa share me video da nyankopon hira obi biara wa share me video, obi biara wa ka me ho asem, obi biara we didi matem, especially Evangelist Ade omo we didi matem no eye mo kra na mama me din na du akire because e bi no so mo kohwe sa videos no ankrofo didi matem na mo se na why kra ne sa Abraham ma me ko check ye on be check ya na mo be hu Common Sense na nyansa nesu na bibia ye kama afei so ye was squad bi wo ho a entoko omo ku o me ho no enye easy. I don't even know them anywhere. They share my videos, they spread the Common Sense movement, e bi make creative groups are they spreading knowledge, you know. Munyina madam wasi squad ni na bi chia munyina wati abotre e manifest me nya be free thinker no me thinking how am me hu wiase me bi asesa me hu se wiase. The only thing you have to do is to make manifest before be bibia make manifest because wunni sika o kasa kura nduru bedwem wunni sika wunni animonyam. No matter how intelligent you are, if you don't have money, people will not buy your ideology. Besa nke ko TV so me chew sika o mo bo TV so a ebini mo US my breast come the 6000 Ghana ba that 6000 da ho aye pe bia so ko TV so me chew studio ba ko ye kotwa ba ko studio asika o mo je enye easy ena me hunu say ebibi man ye nkrofobia se wodi adepa ba wonya boafo na de ye din go wi asere se obesoli egina se opese wo elevate black people hwe the dynamic kind. If you are not ready to lose your life, your family, your job and your good image, never try to elevate black people. So when you are ready so be jenim gwase ema wadofo kra po wo a men ye wadwen se ubebie bibifo ani eduru ba bi wen take time opese wo bie ebibifo ani a atemdidi enti you give up ba atemdidi so bullet bi anim atemdidi nkunipa atemdidi kunipa ankomampanyi jomama wawu ankomampanyi nanado wawu nti ya fatu ye ho so se ye bebie ye nkrofo ani na especially ya empower the youth no ye be koso aye bebre kra fremia mami ideologies be out to me say no enkoye me mfa ba de ye no ye de be ya adwuma nti anwumre especially CSF ladies mi chiamu nyina medam ase na mo support na mo do ya bema camp for matimunka ya bema camp for matimunka pa why na skuma se ne ma say CSF men twen mo de abotre why ya toto ne ma kakra na next year mo no ye botomu nya yie kakra na ye ntumi start na ye establish movement no professionally why a movement no start na wo pro ho a wait bag no de one twenda yanki man white o person starting movement na when lay foundation ni jia the problem the breba tina menya abotre nti teachings ni yenjai we are still in the game me relax kakra me yadwuma wow, a binom religious people need be able to do matem say Abraham, when we say you couldn't stand the test of time, when we say we jai, when we say when we say went to teachings no. O crap on and say we need to say my relax kakra. Na me first akwanya so na ye nua ba mamia ma Canada. Mechi as sister no. Me share nipa bebre wo Facebook, but that lady is a very wonderful lady, very respectful lady. Acha every 2 weeks sister ebe fret ebisa se me ho te sen. Only common sense family. Oye Christo ni mapa. Still or Jesus di. But o say vima me wo any said the me teaching ade no. Opemasem ewie yi kura wasan send message ya. O chia me. Sister Mami ama Canada said the what na sana kan nipa nyina ti wo social media. Anka ntokwa bi amba. Enti na nwumre Yaba CSF lawyer nom Pamela Brown da che hema manye kokko squad ni na Risky Bella Kojo Barcelona Abu Bassa nom chale meet me body no squad ni na me chechia mu nyina Rasco Tokano me chia mu nyina why chia mu nyina nwumre yaba ya sister charity asiedu me chia mu nyina why medam nyina ase wodo a mo yi a kire na empanyufo so afrefre me pa Abdullah Yusuf my beloved son in global sun bichiao na empenyufo afra me ombisa say teaching ni mejaya na no mama me hu say CSF we on the right track na obi ani wa obebringe ye down ene yimbe me ba ye de asem ye bedi nkomo ye wi wa pese ofre no obefre na wa kire wadwen enya tem didie ye nyina ba social media no me pese obi ate ase say ade ba ko edi kan say we have our freedom of choices obetumi aka de ope betumi a kire wadwen. Opinions are like onions. You can plant them anywhere, but not at my backyard. Opinion, it is say onion. Baby, I will pay bian, but me could be opinion, but any will be a feature. The ambassador be at and say, topic I and say, Mama, before ye nimbie with social media, especially Ghana for let us wise up on social media. Now ye respect people's opinion and people's ideas. When you be nya dwenya enya tem didie me wo wana me start say me nya messages I fire me abema Peter Paradise ho me say me nya message Peter Paradise no ye me friend e wo Facebook e na me offriend no e denti na me offriend no that could be me wo ho me hu ye me say waba life na wo didi ye nua ba bi atem ye nua ba ye friend no shine your eyes odidi ma me yatem enti wana me call shine your eye was say madam e den na ade aye odi aye no see me nya na hwe na kwai say Facebook no Ghana for no mu acheche some camps yen CSF one camp ye ni obi akam but me who attacking Christo ni who attacking Kremoni now one attacking here I will come and defend the person who attacking Woba Bema MPP ni NDC ni na anko here me I am here to spread knowledge and wisdom kakra minim no me person me so me bom woden say me the right thing na me promote good virtues on social media. My mistake pen, me ba Facebook, my mistake pen. Attempt me did be pen. I was provoked, me ba abonting, ebe pacha. Enti obi anye 100% on social media. Enti me hu so yes ano. Me friend no fa na me send Peter Paradise message say, "On jai sa atem didie no." Nti me hu say nya ade no mu say na me off me yi ni fi me to anya madamfo. Eba no say me wo na me say me nti me follow no. Me want to start to say me nya message message beba no mo ye okron for bia wepie na nipa no ye video no say oye good in said ye advert papa why ya de no papa me sole ya message be ye 1000 because a day me to nya over 10,000 messages once a man for him say bia no crese Peter Paradise am robber nchomo de send me na me nkoye hu video say me nyo bia me ye critical thinker ameti asemu a me ye hwehwemu a anka me betena ho beka ho asem enti wana me contact Peter Paradise me hu video bi na eye nokra na onokra wan fi me enti me to me boa me wana me ye hu se no ade na nye nokra ti me ko Peter Paradise me ko ne wall ho na me ko hu se no se ono aka se amankra lo se hwan wawu na atem na se oh gaya de no yesa enti me ye short video bi ketwa bi amunyina mu ya me ka se enye nokra enti ye njai emfa me ho but sebe etu nua na ebia wo se wo nani wo beef bi enti unkoka bi ma no a ochene bi eto we ti me say no we no e very dangerous number 1 the life of cry danger Number 2, tarnishing the image. Why am I for them? I will stand everywhere and say, Adia Peter Paradise, with social media. No, I condemn it and I will condemn it every day. Oh, did the attempt? Did the biscuit attempt? Did the biscuit attempt? Poto. So, did the money be attempt? Did the oba attempt? Did the oba nasi attempt? Did the Enti Peter Paradise? No, he is not my fan. Onye me fan, but oye Ghanaian, oye Minia. Enti adeboni atona o se me bana me be clear na efri ho ti be ye video short bi na video ni na ya ma me ba ko a Peter Paradise didi na tem em so hu se ma ye video a me di defend Peter Paradise am ma ye nua ba na te ase o ye me good friend of friend me o ma me advice enti e bia wantem ase na adwene se e bia Peter Paradise no na afre me se me nya video ma no there be ye nua ba shine I minim se how se ma ye sa video no but e ye me nua ba ma ni din say nti na wase me koko siesi de to subium na o kasa den na Peter Paradise didi na tem no mama meche Peter Paradise o didi biscuit na prempa tem mambe kasa e de ntia me nim de ba ya atem didi na starting we no eye ni image na ye tarnish ni nti na me bem obetu ko so Facebook with all due respect okoi na biscuit e didi Avram atem na biscuit starting I'm from odidi matem odi ene say obe advice oh biscuit e de na aba ne hunu de ntia wo didi matem because so also koso we also call live now we start to say also attack biscuit and a biscuit and then wo didi Avram matem de o ye ne now didi na tem na echire ube hu say there be ebia Avram na e mistake a wo no wo be ba asem enti me no dem believe in say se nipa mienu sa so mo kontokwa me pese ma beka bi Sebe mwani mwa ye won bloggers be bra no we did we attempt the entiam mem beka mo asem say me nim kwan ya fa so start but say duru baby na ye taneshi wo bi image na ye friend pan am robber ye de entro bi to obi so me ba be kirem so what ase enti me pagana fo nyina chew ene obi a wante me ase sebe mpreduasa Peter Paradise nema oye bebrebe no bebre wanye eda no me ka say ebinum wo Facebook and so they don't have the gift of speech unimu kasa Facebook live no jaye wo jaye ye komu edidi o matemu a me atem didi a me maji wo social media kamia ye se wan hwa ye Ghana phone panyimfo free kwa me obi a ye didi matema ye video afa mo chikwa chen obi a oba kwa Abraham bin emotional or ye occult or ye thief ideas man ye video bi fa me wan kasa ne ho o ye video say me defrauding wo baby me defrauding wo baby 6,300 me Abraham bin Moshe me kwaje 6,300 enkofo sane me audio and na wo your kronfo and wa dada gabi and wa gini sika me nji gabi sika me nji obi sika love nefu oh she's still my friend so business libi network marketing libi and no register one but ja one munim and ebufu obi ba na ja ekoba ne santi mesra mo atem de nya gibi na so be kire na adwen wo bibi hu a Facebook ano guy bi WhatsApp say adan na Peter Paradise o didi nkrofo atemu a man ko kire m sa guy na o test ye no se be se woni munyansa Facebook live no yanji registration fee enti se Peter Paradise ayi ade bi na me man ka ho asem na woni se woni munyansa sene me a also bra live oba live na so baka se Peter Paradise wo didi matem sa man no didi matem no de me hu ye pe e ye shine your idea no am a friend na one frank make chance wonyai sa atem didi no wow tim ye nyina ntia se social media no you will have to entertain, to teach, to learn, to create, to crack jokes, do business a lot. Ahano ye mfa solve your personal issues. So only obi wasem any social media me ko hu ebinim san ebinim start ya chew ebinim didi atema mam say atem didi wo social media no omo than this slay queens wom ebinim and maybe started and the way ya shawani and the way na wase bon and the way na papa and the way na papa e before sabe ye enim guasefo dodo especially Ghana for na ye ya amade na kwakọ ye bibi say minim de ntia ye yesa among 40 social media, spreading wisdom, spreading knowledge, you know, atem didie. Now what Bobby video asia, wo na ba be kire nipa ni nyansa. Oni obi nya adwenya, I don't agree with you. Simple. I disprove you. No, watch what doing. And then the Kwasia. And then you fool. And then you Jimmy. Huh? And then you Jimmy. Obia ye video afa ho. Wo share video no wan tia se. Me video be braman fo aye. Me ebi okomo ya me wo so no omu didi matem. But na me po me ka kire omu didi atem le se omu njai. If you want to show maturity, it is not insult. Just leave them. Now we kra na lesson ma Peter Paradise. A lesson Emma Peter Paradise say one no ya. Obi anu ya se. Oh Stephanie. Oh please. Stephanie Williams bacho. Ma delete wo comment. Bacho me didi atem pam chow. Why? Mama main did yatem. Why? Well, my Peter Paradise, Emma name would say was in an odd dinner, or be an odd in channel. Na minim say why yesterday because Ndra Kofi TV, Ndra Kofi TV impo interview Peter Paradise. Kofi asia what him did. Kofi Aduma you are a fool. Kofi Aduma ya kwasia saying. Kofi Aduma or ya kwasia saying seven preduasa. And your Facebook social media. No we share Kofi Aduma. Ube to me did not attempt. Ade me nuanom Ghana fo mama yenjai low minded people ne biye bisa sabi enkurasefo ene biye bisa na yaka so bi ekurase nia enyo bi oti ekurase akane ani ho eye wo behavior ena chese wo ekurase ni me see at times ubetumi ehunu no atemdidie wo follow nipa no odidi atem na wo ko hwe nipa no nice lady, nice gentleman. What cool school? I will show the picture to say, onim di 4 pan, no did atem say ya. Na mobo. Mobo. Me say so for be can say bi. Na me ne ya adwen. I will attack the message. Let's learn how to attack the message, not the messenger. So what you say Peter Paradise, we did you obi atem wa ye denyo. Ebi na ato no. Sisi afena. Wa kwasesa na bodwene ade a ya mama ye nimbie kakra yesra mo ye na Facebook ana ye start ye mistakes bia afa ye say no nti nipa no Facebook ana social media na wo no me nipa hu say o guy no okọ nanim no o sesa ne kasa ho te obu ade won ne kasa ho te o de ne die manipa because aha ne yete sambe kire wu mpanyufo e follow enye obi a no ho keyboard e wo ni phone so a o type you. Some people think they have to type because there is a keyboard in front of them. Seeing a keyboard doesn't mean type anything you like. Wise and intelligent people don't even talk too much. Smart people, they don't talk. Observe it, but no call. Be a commenting. Wow, may I want to say will be at the party yanka. Yeniaba Muesha was a den. Muesha or no adden who aquatna the BBC, Aquacan Assem. She the Ghana for the ano, Banansea, Muesha, Aquaquaya doye, Edia Mascoon Codebi, Aquato books on Niama. What was social media? Ya dream say yetiha. Yenya dear me, Obiantias, yes, a debia obey bia with social media. No, Yenya the go to YouTuber, one none and was si for in a baby too. Nema ya to social media no. Nema na ya no. Ya de to YouTube, ya de to social media. Odi opa wo bimpo edidi meme atem. No fan ko to YouTube. Dache. Wo nanam no, your future generation will come and see. Sa we ya badwemba wo, we yo jimifo, wase for beba beto. De me ye nyina egu social media. De me ye nyina egu YouTube. Say yen close YouTube dawa, e better go forever. Enti ade bia wo ye nenne no. Atena kwa na dwene se enti se me na bi se me baby eba behwa will that descendant of me be proud of me or will be ashamed of me? There are people, your great grandchildren will watch your videos and weep coming from you. Ya bet na Facebook and they be adane judges wa and they be adane lawyers and they be adane engineers and they be adane mechanics and they be adane advisors boni bi anim but ade no wonnim ya menye eno bi so na adwen se oni we ya danfo enti nipa ne ye mistake kra obeba ke no dabi era no video bi am obi didi sofo usu bempa atem sofo usu bempa ka se Anas ene Kennedy Japan asem no ono sofo usu bempa okohwe video no ono o support Kennedy Japan no opinion untumi kan chance wajimi say so be catch them say Nyankopon yi a kire ne say onko support Kennedy Japan e na meka say me ne nya adwen opinions are like onions. You respect people's opinion. No, be again. We are here to try our again and to be chana again. Nana nya enya tem didie. Enya tem didie nti yenyai sa life no. Say asem bi bai obi anke bi abame. Nti me na ya aka. Debi samanke bi amawa enye bibia na betuna betena haka. Sabe mpre biasa. Obi anfa me contractor bia. Ti mesra mo. So mesra mo ti me pamocha ti Peter Paradise. Baby awo bia se wo video ya as the aba no fe ye futuo ma ho se Facebook na wote no. Wa adwen ye o se wo na auto data. Wo na ukra wo laptop wo phone e na wabie entu betumi aka de wo pe bia amanfo ye stubborn. Enti amankra lo se hwan ye pamocha. Mu bi ni mo ho a mo start Facebook no kran se ye ba. Wow. Mo start Facebook as ye ba nti ye de ni die ma mo se mo ye empenyimfo e wo dwumedie nim ye man ni sei o man ni tete o man ni pro empenyimfo boy abro empenyimfo boy abro o man ni fo mu na ekọ efin me ne Ghana ahokyere me no man Ghana se what ya se MPP ni NDC abro no mo bo o man no ye wadwuma ye wo man nim ye nya social media no let us teach, elevate, enlighten wo na yen teach the next generation. Yen fancy say ye man, ni yen jade ye no. Na eye ni wo ye fere, eye nim guase. Se wo be hu se Ghana fo eti Facebook, ye Burundi ya nyina wo Facebook. Ke bi Burundi ya nyina. Asemba onye hwehwemu na waba betena ho na waka no yo na IGP bi so wom Kwame Ade na Evangelist Ade we gu nipa hu finsa wo de aba despite so Kwame Ade Evangelist Ade Ade de me yapa o me nim pose na busuafo kra da so ti ase a me se na busuafo kra da ti ase a wow no be ntumi to branch yefo guni pa hu finsa Kwame despite niam Kwame despite ye dia magane still we see we win and ono moja and Illuminati and your occult into the obe wiase obi ayo occult also occult to form penyufo krom America and na what wow ni pe be say you are a disgrace to yourself and even to your children and to your family and to your descendants so echirimba wo mababa behwe say nti ye nana na ejimi say Kwame Ade unana no beka we jimi unim se we jimi wow we jimi unana no say ye nana idea sa na we jimi papa wow guni pa hu finsa wow wo so aminim de oya abo o man Ghana wow no mo nya supporters no mo san show video no mo de akoto YouTube no mo monetize it wow very bad Misramu asa attitude ni yenjai wa yenjai false prophet me no man no wow false prophet me no man no o man na say ye football say ye bibia say wow Anas kofa ni de ba ye hu say Anas or 100% you say Anas or 50% you ye nyini di 100% you ye hu akwaya bibia or something we dey there so on said yeti into o man no problem bebre wo wa say solve na mo de ma bet na Facebook de me yan say grown up adult enye mofra grown up adult ade do ya wan so akomemu a me so ba ka asem bi o social media wo wi abedu ho me se wan hwa be ka asem bi na be ye bibi o social media wo koda wo benu ho krasa wo yesa won ti mesramu nyanom Ghana fo mesramu bebre me pamochaw obi biala o Facebook vlogger say Kamal young CCO say wine my dear man base scout obi amembo udin amankra lonom obi biara mesramu yemfe ni die ma ye Ghana fo woni obi nya asem a peniferi ni obi ofere no obi say metie me fere base scout papa me no good relationship wo obi say Jenna ebrebi Jenna is my good friend he is my good friend of me phone so nyina ba me kwhwe ni video bi me nya botera anka me atake no wow me kwepo no ye video na me come say Jenna what masem sa na first na so etu kwan no waba na obehu me video bi a office am ye very violent and I say me mbunipa no sa se one me kasa ne live video na me comment say o da bibi ni anka bisa me and then oye madamfo entie bia na mo ye enemies tomorrow you become friends me say beska na prempe me ne wo good relationship enti ma ya de bi na wonti asia na wa frɛ base scout Abraham ye video bi na video na Abraham ye no ne kasa na nko yi enti biscuit e wadan fofa ne kasa na onjai oh na biscuit afre oh biscuit oh minim ba na mafre oh minua me ye sorry debi enya bone kwan so na Ghana fo ni bia nkasa ye wo Facebook konkonsa police fo a omo wo video so no mo hwe video de pe kiyum ubo bi dim pe no akobo na mane ebi kwa se meti amabo ideas man din obi kwa message ideas man dada se ko kwesa Abraham ti odidi watem Facebook konkonsa police fo sa edebi na Efia Schwarzenegger eno kwa se ne video kwa me pa Efia Schwarzenegger chaw na Efia Schwarzenegger ye video bi afa Rashida Black Beauty won a Efia Schwarzenegger aka se Rashida na enyem no na Ghana fo eboni wu ye de matem ska koma no Rashida onya 5000 krebe boa no enti mun ko boa Rashida na me boa Rashida da obi be frame sa Abraham kona ko hwe Efia Schwarzenegger na didi wo ba Rashida tem no ma me kra me ye eno mo kana Pamela Brown wo kana wo kasa no mo twa screenshot papam nka ka so obi a comment na screenshot papam no mo dia comment nipa no adan na mo titi nipa ntemu sa adan na Ghana fo ye de ye nkura sesem no sabe ye de ba social media. Me also be quite say you are a fool. Me over me fool. Me I don't even me who say you've seen that I'm too intelligent and you don't know how to describe me and calling me a fool. In tell me fa nyasem. Wow, Facebook konkonsa for ne munyai na aketuye bi anim edwuma wo ye ne ntua wo ka na wo gu wani mu asese. O we video so trum no akobo ya mane. Konkonsa police by force contractor. Well, we are some more say enuanum ntem, more say social media, more say ahano yedi elevate. Me chrema me topic on Christianity. Na woni me nya adwenya. O pesa wo ba live a ye njisika e no se so wo Bible ni bi da fie. So si so na wo su kirem na amanfo nhye. Eno ano no. Wow, na bedi di atem na kwase ya na bo a emmoa nti ye nyai mesramu obia woni na opinion obia wona adwenkyere obia wo se de hu Christianity obia wo se de hu NDC obia wo se de hu MPP enti in my opinion me kyerɛ ma adwenya on to me didi matam why should you insult me say me kyerɛ ma adwen Debbie te mesramu ti mesramu social media na ya abuse no na asofo ni bi nso di bi gum na asofo ni bi su din sanfon fam yeah, Bobo World Cup is so for Nigeria so for Obeshen come say on person I don't want to show the country that will lift the trophy, but in the spiritual realm I've seen a gentleman called Diego Maradona rejoicing. Now okay we are Argentina na Beje World Cup but Argentina no way that person me catch him and say Obian wise up Obian man ninda ho na religion no me samba hobium ya be start lessons Africa na be tin some yeah. The blended business and our teachings. Me more being for religion when we nipa. There be me religion no matter. When we say sisiano, obi enwa, opeso ofre me debate. You can't stand. You to me be jina menim. Bible, Quran. Me ba menim kra me yedede. Ti me ba. They say person me enlighten me nuanom. They also me train na me ma scatter books no. Mo book ni nyina gu ha. O de be fine. So at yase what did I find? Oh yes ram obekọ wa asole asofo frame asofo bi kro frame Abraham dia wo ye ne gye ho but Jesus na wo se enye on Messiah na ne wonya adwen I mean no any problem ko wa asole but the person oti ase say ma adwen nya adwuma. Religion doesn't mean say be a fool. There was the good side of religion. One day I will teach you the best way to use your own religious book Bible na ukra the best way to use it. Okay, say Joseph story no obi be wi ase na friend Joseph there be obi ensi wi ase friend Joseph na your story a teaching moral lesson. What is the concept of the story of Joseph? Joseph's story ne learn how to keep your secret. Don't trust your family members. Humble yourself. Endure temptation. Be a good servant. You will be victorious one day. Asa Joseph no so die on keeping the secret na waka on keep na waka onu aninu yanom ene ton okokọ ya akoa anka wo ba beso na hwe okokọ de fiase okuna mane we fiase ahobrase enti obeye second in command simple asa simple eno ano no Asa, the story of Job. Baby and Nikwana Yankopon and the Bonsam Edim Komo. Who was there recording it? When God was talking to Satan up there, who was there? Who was the journalist? Who was the cameraman? Nobody was there. Nobody has seen God and Satan before. God and Satan, yet the describing situation. I am not an atheist. It is just that I have a different concept of God than you. You believe your God lives in the sky. I believe my God lives within me. Simple. But the concept of God now maybe it's different. Me saying there is God and somebody saying there is no God doesn't make any difference. What does God want from us? Did God bring us here to acknowledge his existence, or he brought us here for a purpose? Believing Nana Addo is the president doesn't change anything. Be a good citizen. Simple. Even if you believe Nana Addo is the president and you violate the laws of the land, you'll be arrested. Common sense. And so because no, you're a good person. On how? What is the difference? So I tell you, me did say me be from the divine source. Me did. So I tell you, Inti Yankopon bonsam bi empie wo soro a omo ye fight revelation kwado o sin tokwa pa o enyi yese bonsam to pa na Jesus dia hye ne mfe pa na Michael dia hye na pempe panyai na beyifo ba kwa matani kick na panya to panyanya and Jesus solid no tam or tam bonsam form brim way Chinese film way. Active way the good book. It never happened. But what is the concept of the story of Job? Even in the Talmud, the Jewish Talmud, a woman said Job will be a Mary Asada. Jew followed the book in the Bible, Talmud, no. Job will be a Mary Asada. According to one opinion. And about also said Job, no, the reincarnation of terror. Wait, Abraham Papa. Talmud nanka say ni pa dwen kwa negum and when a percent the negative force and the positive force to me no from the divine source or a positive and negative said the year juma wo nipa bra bom and said the nipa wo hwe ase a obesan so asole with perseverance and one no so can kind the book of Job na Nyankopon bisa Job question na Job bisa Nyankopon question na Nyankopon bisa if you bisa Nyankopon question my answer Daddy, go and sit somewhere and start talking to God. Your brain will be giving you the answer. What now? Ye brother, Ediana menye. He abraboya yedion. She bona adwene more ideas. Abrabona ayedian. Per adwuma na ye. Per adwuma bi na ye. Ana kobọ krono e. Na adwene sakase da bi. Krono de yanyo ye chewa obedem. Na ba akose da bi. Enkrofo jindro to kona kwaji edro. Na adwene asem another idea. Enti wa na na ho kasa. So the divine source lives in the brain. Gives you the good inclination and the evil inclination. You have your free choice, then you choose one. The other choose no way na police chewa. It is your choice. And yes, you. And yes, you see how the religion no aso for the be. E drama see the obedient yes what than Jesus here we. Obedient than Jesus. Reverend Bofo and a car what told the man. I'm suspecting your God to be so wonderful, loving, caring, and the most loving God to pastors and prophets who hate church members. So for Nebano, Reverend Bob for Nebano, when we can't what Tamano say as Samuel John and Sako de a talk no board ding at the money bar and family home or yen juma. Na so for no jina ho ka kire wo se ye mfa wiase nko ba bia na hyehye we japade wo soro na be so seed na Reverend Bofo me huni pe bi akọ na consultation fee 10,000 Ghana ina 1,000 consultation wo ko hu ne keke obo 1,000 na nipa ma na odi aba 500 Ghana consultation wo je 1,000 Ghana ye be hu enim keke 1,000 members egu also cover 4,000 5,000 now we egu half of kwa e yesika ketwa na nse no koto Rolls Royce o seden Koto Rolls Royce won ka wasa to ade ma ne ba na me Abraham bin Moshe ka kire o say mo wadwenya dwuma na nsamfo na wudi waso dem said wo kotu 1000 Ghana e de amanya minipa o se mi ma bodam sebe previous wakatu ya say Christianity in say Jimmy, you the good side of Christianity. You're the good side. One they mention the good side of religion. Religion, you're on the good side. You're on the good side. It was invented for a purpose. You invented some money Jimmy. So photo range, so photo car, ne board dinger. Not so for the abetu was say. So for the abetu was say the blessings of the Lord. Ono nye sika to ka no e Awurade nhira wo dia dia twan na wuwu a majiminti wo wu echi ne nye nhira wo Awurade nchen yeah, Rolls Royce, thank you. Yeah, Khalifa, thank you. Koto Rolls Royce Ghana ni passe na wasa aka ni bi enye ka na wato ne ha wo ye adwumaden na wato ka why na ni wo problem wo ye adwumaden na wo si wudanya. Why any wo problem? Na so be boa ni nkrofo man no aka kire wo on say Awurade na afre wo na wo beton oyel wo Nyankopon din mu na members na bre ne de ye be kire mi the reverend boy for mu nyai na mu jimi Ghana for dodo. I don't blame them. Obi say Bishop Obinim that I won't insult Reverend Obofo, I won't insult Obinim. There be Obinim me respect no, especially na yere Florence me buo mu papa me ndi o matem ba me de ye me ya eye sa papa pegini na obi ni mukasa wo kire no sa papa pegini na Bishop obi ni mukasa wo kire nche no kire no papa penyimu be bia wanyi eduri enti wontumi nto abrantie fo se wonya nsamfo no wodi no and now wadani Jesus watching wo to akowiem and now wa mo obi aso cement na Ghana fo mpanyimfo so te ho na wo bi kura Bible edi Jimmy Ghana fo say wo bia mo obi yere atam cement bag. And then autonomous na yeah general saw them. Now Ghana for Nakasa, I wonder whether our leaders they have heads or not. Yem paying for no meaning say Tino Mukrano, say Adwini de Mua. Say MPP ni NDC. And to me were buses more than ambulance in Ghana. We are not serious as a nation. Oh. After Bishop Obinu say wadani Jesus e wi no. Muamu Jesus na ka kire mo say e wi ase be kwa wi ya e bi beba be ka say omo ni Jesus no e na obi ne mo ka kire mo no hwe japade omo ayi omo enyom hu say tem atoto japade na wo Dubai na ba cho Dubai ye to top property wo Dubai say Ghana fo mpanyimfo yi bi Ghana fo panyini bi Ghana panyini minister bi e na ka wa top property wo Dubai a bo ni anka Ghana fo de be ye no obi kura Bible say Awurade na afre no efie nyansa kra woni bi watumi akoto property e wo Dubai church member tena ho why ya mfa wiase nko ba bia e wiase e die mu niam nyina besei e wiase no je mfa nko ba bia why e mu niam nyina besei nti wo de dan nansi bi tena ho emisata wu ye emisata na ewu no emisata wu ye ya so fo usu bempan na sefo ni Eagle prophet omo di noto na so for usu bempe en commission na wo share no 2018 ho no me ba chew emi sata ho asem enyo no ko ka say former first lady na bewu no na ba ko ne fa na Eagle prophet no Eagle prophet on enu mo bokura chen obi ya o dia wo we vision one no say central region curse bi wo ho na sa curse no e was a good breaking one dey e no when we had of one say central region ho no to me bi wo area ho one say Ankara wo fi central region enti curse bi wo dey jimi sem say ya I just said we hu coincidence bi we hu coincidence na Ghana fo bi so a sebi mwani mwa jimi enti no bi so akọ edeti omampengini John Mahama picture no dia to say omampengini John Mahama sebi on weku atamos ono na waseku emisata say nye jimi a before the yengu nipa hu fi nko a ada na ye jimi sa sebi mwani mwa before ye jimi dodo enti nipa hu enti ni pen wu ana ni pen wu adifu adidi modi obi nwu na monku ofunu no ho obi ewu no na Ghana fo asofo o market yaba me na me kan first hey me na me kan me na me kan say nye jimia moni mo mesra mo awai me pa mo chew na duru baby a we speak with passion me nuanom eyeya me ba cho ank na bi aba ti wa benya bi no no wa fa me number no why obi abram bi se me ntoma no ema ye nimbie kakra ye begu ye hu fin wo social media wo man pegini a ye be ye no vice president ye be ye no na betiti nsem bi atatan no man Ghana de odwo ho tiase o man pegini atamos wi se be nyankopon fa ne krensie o man pegini atamos wi ya fa na nto ka papam ye se pick up mu ne de toy car tantan bi emi sa ataso a ye te se the same car and ye de to mu adna mu gu ye mpanyim fo hu fin sa na sitting president yewu ye nya ambulance amfana ntum pick up echi ne tam ne toy Oko UK ne Britain is that how they treat their former president and former vice president Ghana ha obia nye ni die jembuni pebia wo manim otiasia ye gu hu fi wewu abaje last respect nso a age egu animu ase Kwame Nkrumah bebie kosie Kwame Nkrumah kura ena da me papa je bufu ya obekasai bebie sie Kwame Nkrumah oh Ghana ni bia kopia US adane US citizen what you say more kind or say it is better now man 1,000 times to reject his citizenship as a Ghanaian he will do it 1,000 times me na me catch me nya Dubai I will change my citizenship because on my way I'm fed up with this nation. I am fed up with this nation called Ghana. Our current leaders, our pastors, our so-called men of God are a disgrace to Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I'm telling you. Mwengu Kwame Nkrumah ni mwase. Mwengu Ghana fon paying for. Any asofo ni edi for mugo menim. Mwengu Kwame Nkrumah ni mwase papa. Any ye youth na yaba because the youth we are not thinking. Youth no agwina de yetrim no jampese be dwin for the future. We don't think say 100 years meba obi kura nimpo so beba akokora. Hwedore wa bra boye. O te tramadol. Once wa twe tramadol ahwede wani am nyina ye. O te tramadol ni kode ene den no. Hwede woye. Wo de wuti bibia mo de mu bewrem. Mo ti bibia mo de mu bewrem. Tra hwede wa bra boye. Na ye nuanom ba small girls yaba. O mu nyina dan this slay queens. Women not done this slave queens on social media. Now, maybe be our lineage. One say maybe on social media. Omu yi your mo, no mo ye, no mo ye selfie, no mo ye naked video. Hey, na young girls will be no be put the talk no we twa, no be ye wait no we twa, no be ye wait no dey beto. A bro from the Facebook ba sana mbo mo bra. Na mpanyimfo bi su didi omo ho atem, bibi tantan bi. Sometimes I wonder how I appeared on this continent. Keke bibini enye nyansani. Keke bibini enye nyansani. Ya to ye nyansa, ye mpanyimfo na to mo nyansa. Na diifo ne besa maka mo asem kra. Adie bia ba ne de ho agim. Adie bia ba na Ghana for de ho agim. Lifestyle bia de ho agim. Boys are being now, but this scammers and scammers cafe boys. Oh, a day. I mean, blame you. Me say, who wrote that scam in him not paying for a task scam in each year? Maybe be a kind of what? Sa internet fraud no. Ghana phone paying for a dim work or tene. Na nye bibia na yeka because so kwakape o so the evidence ba evidence nso evidence so sabeka why na mo de mpanyin fo mo treo why na mo ni youth na binom nya baako mo ni youth ni binom ni musicians ni bi nya baako na mo de mo nya scam na mo de mo twetwe nkra no na nkra ni mbu nkrofo na nya face ni mbu mo account mo na mo nche mo de mo mia mo why na panyin boni o so bet na ho se ekuro mbo no ekuro ni bo a wati mu bi wonti mu kra wo na bet na o man ni Yay na better social media. And ye cast ye bear scam, ye bear yazan, and come me. Nobody will see me like Madame Rich. Me better na followers ya me what na me say me yazan. Can you mean na edidi dada? Ye chen edidi preko. Mumma ye ninti na Ghana for Nyankopon boy yen or the aba asase paso. Asase efiri nufusuo ne ewo a ensuo kura fi obotan mu Nyankopon hira asase na Jimmy enti hwe bi o man na dane Jimmy enti hwe bi o man na dane ana de bia meka no ye wo Greater Accra ye wo Nungwa ensuo eba 2 times in a week ana ensuo ba twice Messi area na mete no anadwo se wonya running stomach ya adwo kope polythene bag now you take away. The ba short the mechanic. Me say meti Nungwa Greater Accra. And I do say when you running stomach here. I do copper polythene bag. Now you take away. Nyendim Gwasia 21st century. You go suma light off. 21st century. All that them are fine, not light here do. Tigana ni kopia US ni UK. Na ye paying for the bow, na ye paying for the befia. Ye nim de mo kwhwe no abrochere ho. The man paid me bi na nye. Oh say many Abraham make me business masem. Oh can Abraham, you are talking about your business too much. Seven previous. Me better like I say we are sabi o sabi. Una chan kura school fees man. O de paid me bi mia wani na nye. Na fu ani to politics to. Why? Free education without jobs. Way. Ya de bobra. Free education without jobs. School ni we had ye sa. Bacho JHS say 3 years. Adekwa na 4 years. Into na mu twe kakra. Say 3 years next batch. 3 years next batch. 3 years next batch. University ni pass na nyemu kwan. University graduate for 8 years na nye ni. Ti free ya na wani age. Na je free o. Je ya ye mobo ti a doctor for nyina akọ outside nurse for nyina akọ footballers nyina akọ na me chai me say players ni bi catch am say omo regret say omo ahye Black Star jersey me na me ka me kire omo regret say omo ahye Black Star jersey abobo de ama Ghana Black Star kuro wey me say ball World Cup wey me na me ka me kire Ghana ko World Cup wa puto ka be bia beduru World Cup yo mo boy Argentina mo kura mu ani me say World Cup Ghana ko World Cup e na bibia ye fair anka ebedu achi abronti Ghana Black Star nko bi sikadie ni abro na Ghana so yempo bia obe enlighten the youth yempo bia obe ka no kura kire nipa ya na yete ne brother enye obi sikenti ne yete ya o 7 eka obi akoma na supporting ya Nyankopon hira enye nu nti ne yete ya na yete ya se de be ya echiri mambe bresa yen de bia meka ye mu binum brother ya bre o de ya fa aduane wo fama dida yen ya fa aduane wo fama di jai minister be ye minister o man payini ne mpanyimfo ba 4 years o kofi ahwesika o de ko ne S Gracia jiska ko si so bewu ne ye papa no be ye adwuma 35-40 years say na de my papa no se antokwa no mo ko osoro sa hwe Charlotte se no nya position wo man ni hwe na mo di o man na ye mo de Ghana ye say cake na mo twitwawe we u mistake man tokwa bi ba ya ma mutumi me kan ade a black man chi any position black man nya position make money the omina done it say cake moyi na so mo console e binom ye nsole mpanyimfo e make leaders because ensole no mo na kakra wo mbotom no mo ne ma mo position say de ba na edu afarebo a punch bebem moyi na so gugu aso dem eye nkremufo na mo fun o man nefa now the rich is getting richer and the poor is getting poorer me nua no mo mama ye ni na wate my name now. Why? So for Usubempa, what can so be free debate? Dada day, mentre wonka. obi wu a no aba be kasa enye owuo no ne yeka wo se me yedi mo be deliver me eno an se opagini wa fra me debate na ye hia na ye debate no dada dai o twende dada dai o twende obi nim sa papa pagini na obi nim o kasa wo kirim na mo nka chen se wanyini no nya de oye no be bia wanyini aduri wo joma bofra keto yi kasa na wo su kirim abra wa wo nim se ntoro na mudi no na Christian Council of Churches na mo ye mobo se mo wakuo bi a ye fa ni Christian Council of Churches ya mo ho ye mobo se mo ti wo ma so from fiafia bi di nsamfun se wo man ni me say even if I was still in the church here and come wo me come your pastor still come wo ti chale damase me fancy ma ble me yare na meja e be se be kasa kakra ya bre ya mompai no man ni yeye Ghana 4 pence am kaka too much bibia ye beka obi di leading life fa ho new airborne ya wabe emi so akoye video bi se o hye wig ba akododo obi no de ne ho airborne foforo ya wabe on no de no se sa wig ne fata no efa ho hey wait ayo fiase obi wig efa ho oh Ghana 4 pence sa gay fella o se wan do mo say ne boyfriend e ko close ne shop no emfa wo e o see through the level a obi born ne bra obi she na tade obi ye ne emfa wo abrabo ne te se banchi obi ane obi okura o ye wala bancha said the be garo said the be agbelimo said the be agbelikakro say o de be konkontew so de be ofufuo emfa ho obi okura de banchi Ghana for be ka wo ho asem a no mabu abem onya problem so nobody will come to your aid. Nobody will come to your aid. Ade ya bata krade why M Global ya bata krade Sunday 17th ana Sunday 17th ya Ocherechi Sunday ya ba takrade ya ba Hillcrest Hotel e wo takrade me pa uchaw wa takrade bia frame why na ye meeti na be hwe business no why M Global e mo de tu me na down changing lives me show you tama twom awura adwumanim all modern entrepreneurs all mu show adwuma I feel proud of myself. So at a minute team na ye bata krade why ye bata krade Saturday into Saturday ye be road show e wata krade ye be nam krom na ya cheche flyers na invite you to the program ye Hillcrest Hotel M Global tiwa we busu ni bi wata krade bia no manembra na on be hwe na on be join na making money 15th phone masa 15th 15th so to Frank ba cho why 15th yeah avenue me da say avenue Patro ya frame why? Avino ya frame me to catch my boss. Patro 15th why? 15th July 2018. Why? CSF madam wasne pa mo chew. Why? Koforu dia yeba munya butre. Why? Abrantie yeba koforu dia so mbete menka. Why? Yeba na graduate ye takrade. Why? Takrade for me pa mo chew Sunday the 15th. Why? Sunday 15th July 2018. Hillcrest Hotel. Why? Tipacha wa water crowd be frame me number ne 0244 me number no 0244 856241 0244 856241 wifi if you usu pacha ya WhatsApp me na me fa business information in send and na wo biara wo outside Ghana wo be so join M Global and no say WhatsApp me send me the business information wa wonya ank ni bi ya bre me bi se me ntoma no 30 Ghana pe ank no why and Apostle Joseph for the quantum pendant no e bi wo ho and your food supplement no organic food supplement for nature's way Pamela Brown my number no one 0244856241 who outside Ghana WhatsApp me send me the business information ko foru dia yeba live madam ngina ase why chale madam wase P Black Yahuda mituche ma Hajj Napoli ya bichia ngina why yeah Fiati Yeah, Max Kojo, Charlie, I salute you. Yeah, Kwesi Jones. Yeah, Bright Mensa, Charlie Bedamwase. Why? Isaac Otu, Wise Man, CSF. Chiamuna, why? Sani Mohammed, Charlie Bedamwase. Mikasa Yache, voice Nisi. Why? Ja Prince. Yeah, Sadat, no trust. Hey, Charlie. Yeah, Musa. Okay, but what's up me? Men test what's up me. Why? Yeah, Arnold, Chiamuna, why? Charlie, Ja Guide, CSF till we die. Madam Wase, why? Bye. CSF ladies, Chiamuna, why? Madam Minasi, why? Bye. Yeah. Thanks for watching.